welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you guys how I soak my braids before installing them. This is a crucial part of my braiding process. Since I started doing it, I do not miss this step. If you've ever experienced an itchy scalp after installing box braids, then this is the video for you. In this video, I'll be explaining why it's important to soak your extensions and how to go about it. So the first question is, why should you soak your braids? Many synthetic hair extensions are coated with an alkaline or chemical residue during the manufacturing process. This residue can irritate the scalp, causing itching, redness, and discomfort. Soaking the extensions in a water vinegar solution helps neutralize these chemicals, making the hair safer and more comfortable to wear. I remember that back before I started, even during the early years of doing my own hair and installing my own protective styles, things like box braids, I used to experience a lot of scalp irritation. And because it was so regular, it was so often, it basically happened every single time I would install some kind of extension, I just assumed it was normal. I assumed that, okay, this is just part of having new braids in. And then I learned about soaking the extensions, and from the first time I did that, I did not experience any kind of scalp irritation. So since then, it's become an integral part of my process of just installing whatever protective style I'm doing, whatever hair I'm using, whatever extensions I'm using, whether it's darling extensions or Afro kinky, Mali braids, whatever extensions I get, whenever I get them, I soak them. And this has just had a huge impact in the level of comfort that I experience when I install my braids. For you to do this, you will need some kind of basin, because you need a place to have the water mixture as well as placing your extensions. You will need your extensions, of course. For me, I am using darling braids number 33, the extra long ones. I got 3 packets, but when I saw how thick one pack is, I decided to just use the 2. So I'll be using 2 of the packets of the darling braid. Then you also need 1 cup of white vinegar and some warm water. When it comes to the actual soaking process, the first thing you want to do is you want to mix your water. Yeah, so you don't want water that's scalding hot, but you also don't want water that's cold. You want water that is warm to the touch. And so you start off firstly by mixing together the water, and you can even just use your hand to check what the temperature is. If it's too hot, add cold water. If you feel like it's too cool, add hot water. The next thing is you want to add a cup of vinegar to the water. Mix everything together, and then you will go in with your braids. When you're working with your braids, make sure you don't separate the hair. Sometimes the hair will come wrapped in some kind of rubber band. Do not remove that rubber band. Keep your hair as sectioned as it is upon purchase. Immerse that in the water. Make sure it's fully submerged in the water. You don't want certain parts of the extension to be soaked while others are not. That would completely beat the purpose of what you're trying to do. So soak everything and then let it sit in the basin for 15 to 30 minutes. I like to let mine sit for 30 minutes. Once that's done, let it dry completely before installing the braids in your hair. The next part of this video is me showing you guys just how I do it. For all the visual learners out there, this part of the video is definitely for you. And that's it for me, guys. This is a simple step that just makes the whole braiding experience and protective styling experience a lot more comfortable and a lot more pleasant. I hope this video was highly informative. In case you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural hair content. Until next time, see ya.